The Bokor oil field, operated by Petronas, was discovered in the 1970s. In order to safeguard the product delivery from one of its drilling platform, an aging in-field linear pipeline will be replaced by a flexible PL429 pipeline. In Johor Port, Malaysia, all personnel who have completed the COVID-19 precaution quarantine have arrived to board a diving support vessel, Southern Star.
The COVID-19 global pandemic has posed significant unforeseen challenges to the implementation of the project since the award back in March 2020. However, the resilience that we built into the Tekong project team has enabled us to navigate the uncertainty with confidence and rigor.
All hands on deck, the first project team begin a 3-day sailing from Johor Port to Bokor oilfield.
So untuk underwater activity consists of old riser remover, and then we need to install the protector, which is the I-tube, into the platform.
The offshore campaign aboard the Southern Star vessel begin with the removal of 2 risers at BOPA and 1 riser at BODPC. The riser is removed by a cold cut technique using a diamond wire cutter or DWC. The operation requires precise coordination between engineers, riggers, and ROV operators. The removal of the decommissioned risers and rigid pipelines intensively involved subsea activities. Other than DWC and ROV, divers are required with the retrieval of the detached pipelines and the preparation works prior to the installation of the new clamps and I-tube. Meanwhile in Johor Port, 3 reels of the flexible pipeline have arrived.
This morning our flexible flow line has been transported safely from Shanghai Port to Johor Port. So they are offloading this flexible flow line from the vessel AAL Dampier to the storage yard. The reel will be here estimated for about 1 month. Then it will be transported on board to our MCV, MV Pride, then to the Bokor platform and Temana platform.
The engineering, design and fabrication of the I-tubes and clamps are carried out by a competent Turcom team at their renowned fabrication workshops in Labu 1 and Klang. High-quality steels are cut and welded together to millimeter precision. A few months later, the fabrication of the I-tubes and clamps are completed as per engineering design, and ready to be transported offshore. Back in the Bokor oilfield, the crew proceed with the installation of the I-tube and its fittings at BOPA and BODPC. After a few weeks at sea, the project team aboard the Southern Star vessel has successfully completed their mission. The PL429 and PL430 pipeline replacement project is resumed by the second project team.
Today we are mobilizing our flexible floor line, including the rotary drive system, chute and also the deflector, the air dive system, which will be used during the installation of remaining I-tube at Temana field. And we also loading the 66 numbers of concrete mattress for stabilization and also crossing.
Approximately 1,400 metric tons of cargoes are being loaded on the MV Pride main deck, which requires more than 200 times crane lifting. Once all the cargoes are secured on MV Pride main deck, the construction vessel left Johor Port and make its way to Temana oilfield. With fully loaded cargo, MV Pride sailed for 3 days to reach the location. In Temana oilfield, the well-experienced team performs a similar procedure of installing the I-tube and its fixtures as in Bokor oilfield.
2
buah I-tube telah dipasang di Bravo dan Whiskey, melibatkan air diver dalam kedalaman 10 meter dan maksimum 30 meter lah.
A few days later, the I-tubes, load-bearing clamps, and subsea clamps have been successfully installed and the team is ready to lay the flexible pipeline. The 6-inch flowline with a total length of 3,410 meters will be laid from Tamana gas drilling platform TEDP-B to satellite platform TEJT-W.
There are a few key moments for this project, which is that the flow line are designed for high SAM productions, and we even took the initiative to install a SAM monitoring system, which is the first in Malaysia, and hopefully this all will add value to the asset operation in the future.
All system checked, MV Pride gently approached TEDP-B to begin the pipeline laying operation.
Okey, dekat working platform itu, kita akan install kita punya centralizer. Selepas sampai satu distance, kita kena install I-tube seal. And then selepas I-tube seal, diikuti dengan pan restrictor.
Once all the ancillaries have been installed, the first end of the flexible pipeline is secured to the Tamana Bravo platform. Slowly, MV Pride head towards the Tamana Whiskey platform at an average speed of 1.5 knots, while the team on the main deck lay the flexible pipeline. The procedure is closely monitored by the ROV and survey team to confirm the flexible pipeline is lay on the predetermined route. Halfway to the Tamana Whiskey platform, the team commences a midpoint tie-in procedure to join the end fittings of flexible pipelines, from reel A to reel B. Once both flexible pipelines are attached, the laying process continues. Two days later, the team secured the last end of the flexible pipeline to the Tamana Whiskey platform. In order to make sure the flexible pipeline retains its position throughout the service lifetime, 74 units of the concrete mattress are placed on top of the flexible pipeline along the route. With the successful operation in Tamana Oilfield, the dedicated team from Turcomp head toward Bokor Oilfield to continue with the flexible pipeline installation.
Yeah, Bryce, just let us know that it will take me approximately maybe 1.5 hours to go to the other side.
The final reel for this project hold a 900-meter-long flexible pipeline that is 12-inch in diameter. It will link BODPC to BOPA platform. Once the preparation works are ready and the construction vessel in place, the team begins the procedures of laying the flexible pipeline, which is similar to the one they have completed in the Tamana Oilfield. A few days later, the team has successfully completed the installation of a flexible pipeline in Bokor Oilfield. The pre-commissioning team data has shown that the flexible pipeline has achieved the installation standard.
We have completed the Tamana and Bokor flexible installation project with all the cooperation, with all the dedicated team, with all the support from the office, from the management, from the client. We can deliver the project. So you just see that Turcomp will become another main player for TNI in the future.
The successful transport and installation of PL429 and PL430 pipeline replacement project has proven Turcomp as a trustworthy contractor, capable of delivering a successful project with the highest industry standards safely. As for Petronas, the new pipeline installed will ensure the safe delivery of oil and gas product within its platforms for many years to come.